Alright, today we're going to go through a reverse camera install. BMW has two options for doing reverse camera. There's one module that does forward and reverse camera, and there's one module that does TV, DVD, headrest monitor output, and reverse camera input. The module we're going to do here is a simple reverse camera module. The module has a simple and straightforward harness. You just take the wiring harness that you get when you get the kit from BeamerNav. Plug in the wiring harness into the reverse camera module. Actually, this wire harness is great. It's actually got power and ground outputs on it that are available for you to be able to plug in your power for your camera. So it already provides you the switched power, so no need to splice in a power source for that. So a switched power output plus a video input. Plug in the camera module. Remove the navigation computer blue plug. Just simply pull that out. I'm going to go ahead and pull all these off to make it easier to see. Take the simple harness that's provided as part of the kit, plug it into the blue plug. Actually, you're going to route it out to the back. Plug it into the blue plug, and then plug the harness blue plug into the navigation computer. So simple as plugging that in, and then we're going to use the new plug instead of the old. Take your navigation computer, put it back in place, plug in the blue plug and the magenta plug. And slide the navigation computer back into place. Alright, your reverse camera module is pretty much set up right now to display the video. All you need to do is hook on your lead for the reverse light. On the M5 this is going into, you can just take a voltmeter and test off which is the proper reverse light. When you put your car in reverse, what light illuminates. It goes off a wire on a relay. You make that one connection, and then you also need to make one connection for your switched power so that it switches your reverse camera on. There are a couple options for reverse power. You can go off the purple and white wire on the radio, just use a Scotch lock, splice it on there, or the purple and white wire on either the X400 plug, which is the telephone plug, or the SES jumper plug option as well. So you're going to want to press that one wire in line. Take your rear backup camera, run it to where you want to mount it. I highly recommend getting a rear backup camera with a removable small plug that can be run to whatever location you prefer. With this particular setup, it's got two ends that are pretty small that you can either run one or the other through. This one's obviously really well set up for running through small places in the car. Mount your camera wherever you want to mount it. This is a bulby camera that we're going to be mounting on the reverse, on the just above the license plate frame, and then you're set to go.